Hello and welcome to yet another vlog on my channel. So me and my friend Devjit, we decided to go to a trek and we chose Avalabetta hills for that. So for both of us, we just purchased our Royal Enfield bikes. Devjit got an Interceptor 650 and I purchased a Meteor 350. So we wanted at least 200 kilometers of test run on our new bikes, and yes, this served the purpose. So in this vlog, I'll take you through the experience, how the ride went, how the destination was. So yeah, stay tuned. Fortunately, the weather was with us and it was cloudy all around. I actually suspected that it might rain, so you can see me riding in my green rainy jacket. And the comfort wise, the ride quality was very smooth. I was actually surprised that Royal Enfield how far they have come. So for Meteor and for Interceptor, the ride quality was good and we did not face any issues. In fact, we just took one stop in between in our 200-kilometer journey. So that says something. So we reached our destination at about 8:30 a.m. in the morning and the sun was already up. We got to know that we have to do a trekking. So yeah, that was the surprise part.
Hi guys, good morning. This is Aman and this time I am visiting Avalabetta. As you can see in the backdrop, these are the mountains and we have to go somewhere around that side. So this place is approximately 110 kilometers from my place, and as you guys know, I've recently purchased my Meteor and this was the first test ride, you can say, for that. So far I'm not disappointed. I'm actually quite happy with the way Royal Enfield has taken its motorcycle to the new level. So yeah, there's still approximately half kilometer to go to the top. So once I reach there, I'll let you guys know how is it. And one notice, so if you guys are coming in right now, they are not allowing vehicles or two-wheelers to go to the top. So you'll have to park them, and approximately 2 kilometers of trekking you will have to do yourself. Then you can either trek from this road, which is for the vehicles, or you can take the path like this, which goes right in front of the forest, and then it will take you to the top. If you are short on time and energy, I would suggest you take this route like me. So on that note, I am exhausted and I'll see you at the top. Hey guys, so guess what? We are at the top. Don't believe me? Look at the backdrop. Amazing view, right? And yeah, as you can see, we'll just have to go to this road and we are already at the top. Well, we are kind of going, but the top we are not able to reach it. It's just one cave after another and one stair after another. Look at the ways we are going through. Another set of stairs. So for those of you who are planning to come to the Avalabetta peak and you want your picture taken at that cliff thing, it's not possible anymore. As you can see, there is a board which says entry is prohibited, and most probably why it is because looking at the cliff, it can fall down in a minute. The cracks are already visible. There are policemen here who will not even allow you to jump this or do any kind of adventure here, so be careful. So yeah, this brings us to the peak and now we'll go down. I am not sure if I'll be able to fly my drone here, but let's see if I can get a peaceful location. So we are at the top of this hill and I found some very friendly faces. So yeah, let me introduce you to my new friends.
Hi. This is
Suddhimane team.
Suddhimane team.
So they have a news channel, so please go and subscribe to the news channel and please watch it. Thank you. So finally, myself and Dev have got a peaceful location for flying a drone. So that's our drone in the sky, and I'll show you how the shot comes.